welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you are highly welcome. I am amzolinek and I do cleaning motivational videos, decorating, organization, self-care, and everything home. If that sounds like you, please consider subscribing and join the family. So generally we clean our homes every single day. It's like a loop that never ends, but there are certain things that you just need to tackle on a daily basis, while others just need a weekly basis cleaning, and others need like a monthly basis, and others need just occasionally or seasonally cleaning or maintenance. So in today's video is my monthly cleaning routine, and I just want to share with you guys the things that I would clean once a month for a clean and fresh looking home. So if that sounds interesting to you, keep on watching, watch till the end, because you're going to see things that we will usually forget at times to maintenance or clean or take care of. So all right fam, so enough of the intro, let's get right into the cleaning routine. Number one on the list is the fridge. So I do take out or get rid of any dirt every other day when I see it, but I do deep cleaning once a month. And I will always wait a day that the fridge is running low of supply or it's almost empty and we are about to restock. So I clean the fridge, set the base, and then once we are back from grocery shopping, I then restock. So back then I used to remove everything entirely out of the fridge before I start the cleaning, but then I realized that it's actually wasting electricity getting the fridge to be open for a long period of time, and at times it's so annoying because the alarm keeps going up. So what I've been doing instead is that I clean one shelf or compartment at a time. So you will see me remove one compartment, clean it up, wash the glass, replace it, clean up the containers, and then I will replace everything in. And while I'm doing all this, the fridge will be closed. That way it's not going to be melting and frosting, and then the fridge is just going to be a mess. So I find it better to do it this way, one compartment at a time. Trust me, it saves your time, saves electricity, and it's just efficient to me. So it's all a matter of preference and what works for you. So if you feel like bringing out everything at once, cleaning and then reloading later on is what works for you, by all means do that. But I feel like when you bring everything out and they'll be standing there for like 2-3 hours, by the time you're done cleaning the fridge and wiping down those tins or things, the products might have gotten warm or even melted. So to save you that disaster, I think doing it like this is the best. The glasses and the dividers, I do wash them as you saw earlier on. For the interior of the fridge, I do spray the kitchen disinfectant spray and then wipe it down with a wet microfiber towel, and then later dry it up with a kitchen paper towel. And here are my vegetables. I do wash them, sterilize them with some water and vinegar before I put them into the fridge. I will have that video on my cooking channel, by the way. And yeah, once that is done, I wipe the outside of the fridge as well, disinfect everything literally. And yeah, this is how it looks at the end of the day. Everything smells so fresh and it looks clean and organized. So now the question is, how frequent do you clean your fridge? Let me know in the comment section down below. I would really like to know. Number 2 on the list is the stove hood or filter. Now this thing requires a high maintenance, even though you don't have to do it every single day, but this accumulates so much grease, fat, debris, and just it's disgusting once you let it pass you without cleaning it at least once a month. So what I did is just poured hot water over it, and then I sprayed this oven or grill foaming spray, and this melted down every fat. So and I let it stay there, and while it's waiting, I clean the hood, the glass, and all the surrounding of the hood. Obviously this part of the hood and also the stove top gets to be cleaned after every meal or after each time of use when I cook on it. But the filter itself, like that one, you don't get to clean it every day because it's just not necessary. But that doesn't mean you should completely forget about it and let it just go ahead and accumulate all the fats, the debris, and the grease, everything. No, you have to clean that net at least once a month. It all depends on what you're cooking and how frequent you cook. If you're frying a lot, then it's gonna get even more messier. So it all depends on what you're cooking, how frequent, but the bottom line is clean at least once a month. Number three are windows and glass doors. These are one of those visual things that people see easily. Once there is a tiny dirt or fingerprint, it exposes you. So these are one of those things that you really have to be cleaning more frequently, at least once a month. So I do deep clean once a month. All my windows, both upstairs, downstairs, kitchen, bathroom, toilets, everywhere, living room. But in between, I do clean when I see a fingerprint because I've got kids and they touch around stuff. So I do clean those quickly. But the deep cleaning where I go into details like dusting, scrubbing, buffing, and drying up, that happens once every single month. You don't want to overlook this part at all. If there is anything you want to skip, not your windows, because they can make your house looks clean or disgusting. So, yeah, pay attention on those as well. Number four are light fixtures. These are one of those things that we can easily tend to forget to clean or maintenance. We only get to remember them when we have to switch the light on and off. You have to at least clean your light fixtures once a month. You will be amazed at the amount of dirt this stuff accumulates. It's so dusty, and this is not good if you have allergies and stuff, inhaling those dust. So if you have a chandelier, crystal chandelier, then you even have more work to do to clean between those crystals. So I was using a furniture wet wipe which smells amazing and it does an amazing job at cleaning the light fixtures. Use a step ladder to get to that height. I used one of my bar stools because I was too tired and lethargic to go get me the ladder from the garage. Number five are computers, laptops, the mouse, and the storage disk. These things might look like obvious, but I bet you most of us do forget to give them a deep clean, which of course we should be doing quite often because these are things we use quite frequently. Our fingers are on them, we touch things, come back and type and touch. So we are cross contaminating and all that. So take a time to do wipe down properly with disinfectants, tissue papers, and just dry it up with a soft microfiber cloth or a soft tissue. For most of us, these are our schools and offices at the moment due to the pandemic. So please make sure you are giving it a special cleansing and cleaning that it deserves because I'm pretty sure you are using it way more than you used to. Number six is sinks and drainage system. So I can't emphasize this enough. You have to unclog your sinks. Otherwise, they're gonna be stuffed with whatever it is, gunk, residues, hair. And so I tend to do this once a month as well for the sinks in the kitchen, the bathtub and the shower, and the bathroom sinks. If you tend to forget to attend to this drainage or your sinks, then you might one day have to employ the services of a plumber, which is not necessary if you were doing as required. So I do this once every month. So just pour in the liquid that I showed you earlier in the video, and preferably do this at night so that no one gets to use the sink or the shower. So you pour in the liquid and then add about 2 to 3 cups of hot water, then cover it up and let it sit overnight. That is how it's going to work most effectively. So if you don't have this liquid, this active liquid, you can use bicarbonate of soda, which is also baking soda, or any other active ingredient that is able to unclog stuff that are stuffy. Number 6 is last but not the least. For the sake of this video, I might make a part 2 because I can't put everything in here because the video will be too long. Okay fam, so that brings us to the end of this video. I hope this was helpful and also enjoyed watching it. Don't forget to give it a like, share, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you for watching and bye bye.